I really want to apologize to Grayscale for calling this the Grayscale Sanatorium. I'll change the name to Grayscale Castle. How's that? Welcome to Grayscale Castle. Um, um, I'm sure that Grayscale does their finest in bringing us these trusts. But it's cryptocurrency, guys. So. Uh, Once again, I apologize for that. Nobody contacted me or anything like that. But I was thinking about it while I was doing my laundry. That's not nice. It's not a nice thing to say because it's kind of negative. If anything, we'll change the name to Grayscale Castle. How's that? That's a little bit better. When I go to the sanitarium, I'll probably refer to something else. Okay. Let's see what happened today in our. It's a beautiful. Can you believe this is AI generated? I asked the AI thing to draw it for me and do a staircase and stuff like that. And man, it's gorgeous. God, I'd love to live in a place like this. Maybe someday, hopefully, if our Grayscale Trusts come through and our crypto. Let's check out what happened today. This is my portfolio. We'll just go through it real quick. It's not a big deal. The only thing that moved up really high today was Filegate, 30%. And we all know that a certain whale is buying Filegate, so maybe that's why it's going up. I don't know. Nothing else really. I mean, LTCN is up and down, up 20 cents today. BCHG is flat. 8 cents. Where is 8 cents? Over here, 23 cents down. Nothing really dramatic. With the other ones, MicroStrategy, it's still kind of going sideways. Walmart is, if anything, Walmart's been doing really good out of all my stocks. OCCI is down to $6.65, but this is I just keep for, I don't know, it's just for compounding interest. And I'm just gonna leave this one. When I have spare change, I just throw it in here and buy a stock. Let's see what happens. It's no big deal. I'm not asking you to. I'm not saying that you should buy into this or anything like that. Of course, no financial advice. I've been tempted to buy some options. Right now, I don't think the market is really destined to go up too much until things kind of even out a little bit more with current conditions, political conditions. We may get another kick for another 5, 6, 7 years. Who knows? It's hard to say. Nothing going on as far as Bitcoin. It's sideways for the last few days. This ton coin keeps going up. I really don't know what it is. Stellar's just up 2% in the last 7 days. Nothing big. Polkadot 8.63%. Litecoin, except cookies and continue. Okay, Litecoin. Up $1.24 in the last 7 days. Bitcoin Cash is just a penny or two down in the last 7 days. Nothing going on. Nothing that I can see that something is happening. These are the meme coins. They were up a few days ago. Now everything's kind of crappy. Don't ever get into meme coins, guys. Although some of you may make money, but this is definitely not for me. Fartcoin, come on. All right. Let's look at our little chart here. 27. It's gone down from 31 yesterday. It's not. It's gone down quite a bit. This is back in April. This is April. We kind of hit a little high. This was December. And we're back to what this is happening here. let's look at Bitcoin real quick. We developed the head here, right about here, and here's the developed. It's not going down. It's like a shoulder. It's kind of just basically just going sideways. Which may indicate something. Then it may go even higher. It hasn't tanked. I was probably expecting it to go down to 50 or so at the most, but it hasn't. It hasn't gone all the way down. Although it's still early to tell. Are we gonna have a double head like this? This mountain between here and here. That was the last cycle, altcoin season cycle right about here, and this is the Bitcoin and Bitcoin halving. Bitcoin halving happened here, and this is big. This is big right about here. It's going to be a big mountain, maybe. Most likely it should. Now, unless something happens with cryptocurrency and, all the trust is gone, it's hard to say. It's like, could this go even higher now that it's kind of hit a little bit of a, what do you say, resistance level. It's not selling out. We're not getting dramatic sellouts. Like I've seen, like here, for instance, you had like half of it, that a gain. You gained this much, but you lost half almost. Here, you gained all this, and we've only gone down a quarter, a fifth, about. I'm not saying that I'm interpreting charts and what the future holds, but the possibility is there that it may rise more. The possibility is there. Now, it may rise again, and then the altcoins kick in, like over here. So, it's not over. It's not over, guys. It's like, I'm still with my stuff. I still have a lot of confidence in this. Although, I got to end up in the sanatorium every once in a while to check my... gee. Excuse me. So that's the chart on Bitcoin. That's what we keep developing. There's no pattern. It's just going sideways. Did you buy the winner didn't come forward? So I'm gonna put it in the for the next month. We'll see. Maybe Monero. I'll give away some Monero next month. If you want some free cryptocurrency, just kind of stay tuned. Okay, guys, that's all. Have a good weekend and hang in there. And there's a lot of hope still on that little mountain that I talked to you about.